Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make Google Chrome your default browser. So click on Start and Settings. Now here guys you have to click on Apps and click on Default Apps. Now here search Chrome. Select it. Now here click on Set Default. Make Google Chrome your default browser. So just you have to click on Set Default. So you will see in just one click you can set Chrome, and if you find some file that is not set, so click and select Chrome manually. So now we can see almost all type of file and format will open Chrome browser. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.